ricochet, take your aim far away, far away. Shoot me down, but I won't fall. I am titanium. Shoot me down, but I won't fall. I am titanium. Not losing any sleep, I picked up every piece and landed on my feet. I'm wide awake, need nothing to complete myself. No, I'm wide awake, yeah, I was born again, out of the lion's den. I don't have to pretend, and it's too late. The story's over now, the end. I came in like a wrecking ball. I never felt so hard in love, and all I wanted was to break your walls, and all you ever did was wreck me. I came in like a wrecking ball. Yeah, I just closed my eyes and swung, left me crashing in a blazing fall, and all you ever did was wreck me. Now I'm looking right at the other half of me. The vacancy that's set in my heart is a space that now you hold. And tell me how to fight for now, and I'll tell you, baby, it was easy coming back into you once I figured it out. You were right here all along. Just give me a reason, just a little bit's enough. Just a second, we're not broken, just bent, and we can learn to love again. It's in the stars, it's been written in the scars in our hearts that we're not broken, just bent, and we can learn